Hey there, fitness enthusiasts. Today we'll be discussing a topic that's been debated in the fitness industry for years: creatine. Creatine is one of the most commonly used supplements by athletes, bodybuilders, and fitness enthusiasts looking to enhance their performance. But before you decide to take creatine supplements, it's essential to understand what it is, how it works, and whether it's the right choice for you. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know about creatine. We'll discuss the benefits and risks, the different types of creatine available, how to take it, and if there are any side effects. So let's dive in. What's creatine? Creatine is a natural substance found in muscle cells that helps produce energy during high-intensity exercises such as weightlifting, sprinting, and jumping. It's also found in food sources like beef, pork, and fish. Creatine supplements contain a higher concentration of creatine than found in food sources. When you take creatine supplements, the extra creatine helps to increase the production of ATP, the primary energy source that fuels your muscles during exercise. This in turn can lead to an increase in strength, power, and endurance. Creatine supplements have been shown to provide numerous benefits to athletes and fitness enthusiasts. Here are some of the benefits of taking creatine. Creatine helps to increase muscle mass and strength, which can help you lift heavier weights, perform more reps, and achieve better results. Creatine helps to increase the production of ATP, which can help you push through those last few reps and finish your workout strong. Some studies have shown that creatine supplements can help improve cognitive function, especially in older adults. Creatine supplements have been shown to help reduce muscle damage and inflammation, leading to faster recovery times. Some studies suggest that creatine supplements can help to increase bone density, reducing the risk of fractures and injuries. While creatine is generally considered safe, there are some risks associated with taking creatine supplements. Here are some of the potential risks. Creatine supplements can cause digestive problems such as nausea, stomach cramps, and diarrhea. Creatine supplements can cause dehydration, so it's essential to drink plenty of water while taking creatine. There are concerns that creatine supplements can cause kidney damage, but research on the topic is inconclusive. Creatine supplements can cause water retention, which can lead to bloating and weight gain. There are various types of creatine available in the market, and each has its benefits and drawbacks. Here are some of the common types of creatine supplements. Creatine monohydrate. It's the most commonly used form of creatine, and it's been extensively studied. It's affordable and effective. Creatine HCl. This is a newer form of creatine that's more soluble in water, which means it's easier to digest and may cause fewer gastrointestinal issues. Buffered creatine. This form of creatine is designed to be more pH neutral, which may reduce the risk of stomach issues. Creatine ethyl ester. This creatine is designed to be more bioavailable, which means it's easier for your body to absorb. Now that we've covered that, let's take a look at how should you take creatine supplements. When it comes to taking creatine supplements, there are two main approaches: loading and maintenance. Loading involves taking a higher dose of creatine for the first 5 to 7 days to saturate your muscles with creatine. After that, you can switch to a lower maintenance dose. The loading phase typically involves taking 20 to 25 grams of creatine per day for the first 5 to 7 days, split into 4 or 5 doses. Maintenance involves taking a lower dose of creatine to maintain your muscle creatine levels. The maintenance phase typically involves taking 3 to 5 grams of creatine per day. It's essential to follow the instructions on the supplement label and not exceed the recommended dose. Drinking plenty of water is also important when taking creatine supplements to prevent dehydration. While creatine supplements are generally safe, some people may experience side effects. The most common side effects are gastrointestinal issues, such as nausea, stomach cramps, and diarrhea. Drinking plenty of water and taking creatine with food can help reduce these side effects. Some people may also experience muscle cramps, especially if they don't drink enough water while taking creatine. In rare cases, creatine supplements may cause kidney damage, but research on the topic is inconclusive. In the end, creatine is a safe and effective supplement for athletes and fitness enthusiasts looking to improve their performance. It can help increase muscle mass, strength, endurance, and cognitive function. However, it's essential to understand the potential risks and side effects of taking creatine supplements. Before taking creatine, it's recommended to consult with a healthcare professional, especially if you have a history of kidney or liver problems. It's also important to follow the instructions on the supplement label, drink plenty of water, and not exceed the recommended dose. We hope this video has been informative and helpful in understanding creatine supplements. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more fitness-related content.